don't know whether I lock window. This is no door and NASA. Hey, Hey, Koya!
Welcome, sir.
I bet you now this side did they go with your umbrella?
Yes, sir.
Hey, I beg you, no verse, make I don't follow you.
Okay.
Hello, good you begin. I don't know whether I lock window. That's what the red dot they pour. And I make an offer wait to make it stop. Much for road. Pluto! Hey, what Pluto? Man, no matter. Pressing don't be a big mess. Go ya. You don't go ask before me.
And landlord, not because of you are stopping. Hey, find girl, what's her name? Wow.
Pluto and women. Pluto.
And you know what? Just hop in. Me not hit her.
Hey, hop in. You know who ask questions. Hey, it's okay. Pluto. In the back, you never open her, make her.
Actually, not because of you are stopped, landlord.
Hey, the big thing, I don't drop it for her.
Landlord, go drive your house as I drive cars.
You the stack out. Say, Massa, say where I go back, say na financial mistake. EJ, Pluto, you do me this one. Babu. Hey. Where you go? Come on, yeah. Give me this one. You just stay inside the car. Thank God said the guest today. You not be living inside the car. Let me be living in my house.
Landlord, I beg now. Whether for 2 months, you're web now.
I beg of boy. You wait there. Can't use umbrella till they cover me. Pluto carry come on. Make I enter your motor. You say la la. And then who? Now you remember you get us. Huh? You know the entire. Don't go back. Go stay. Go right to tell anything you can do.
Buy a sweet plantain. Eda, that's you. Eda, come. Eda.
I was not actually run you. I just forget something.
I know.
Well done. I'm a cat.
We thank God.
Wonderful.
Eda, since 2 months now, I not see you. Where?
You
dey see me, they judge, they see me, they don't. You dey owe me money, Nabi, you don't forget. Plantain what you bet since 2 months ago. You dey eat and shit and do everything. Eda, I not see you, I not see money. Eda, I want my money.
You not be say I dey argue. I travel before. But that plantain matter when you dey talk. Me give licky bar, me can't give you now. Actually.
Licky bar. I not see your pick, I not see licky bar, I not see money, I not see Eda.
You don't mean it. Tell me it's a joke. Oh my God, you think this pikin want to embarrass me? You know what will happen? Don't worry, I will have a word with him. You understand me?
Eda, before you have a word with him, let me have a word with you.
Okay. What happen?
Eda, come. Give me your phone.
Jesus.
What happened to my
You
phone?
get children for abroad, they send you money, no be say you know they see money. But to release money, give who you dey owe, na problem for you.
Don't be sad, get children where children. But the pikin when me get abroad. Now me even they from Nigeria send us food stuff. Things are hard globally. You tell you say that you keep at the hole, now you will wait.
And if you don't pay fish, go carry it.
Oh my God. Now my friend, you got the fish like that.
I no get another work, now this work I take the feed. If you don't ready, you come meet me.
You want the answer?
Oh, man, we don't respect yourself. Yeah, that.
Oh, wait, now 3 minutes. Now say that this is my phone. Yaki!
Wa ho dun ayi che bonu eba.